Okay, so I'm having spectacle challenges right now.
I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just drop. Nice.
Can't spend time alone. Give you my hoodie just so you can smell my cologne.
Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie Jordan, and if you're joining me for the first time, then hey sis, oh hey bro, welcome to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey, it's good to see you again. So as you can tell from the title, guys, today we're gonna be today we're gonna be doing a wash day or a core wash. Now before I get into the video, I just want to talk a bit about it. So for those of you who haven't yet seen my video where I talk about why I haven't been on YouTube of late, which I'll leave in the description box if you want to check it out, but I talked about how I have been over manipulating my hair and it has been causing me serious problems. So my hair has been struggling a lot, and it's struggling with breakage. It's breaking a lot. I have too many split ends, too many knots, and I have struggles. Really, let's just say struggles, hair struggles. I don't want to say that I don't know what's going on with my hair, because I actually do, and I can pinpoint it to 3 things, and that's over manipulation of my hair, and that consists of just me touching my hair all the time. And when I mean touching, I mean literally touching, like literally. And for those of you who don't know, touching your hair too much will make your hair dry. Yeah, you're taking away that moisture. I mean, as if evaporation is not bad enough, you're gonna touch it. So yes, and that's been causing a lot of breakage for me. And I've also developed a habit of plucking my hair, like literally plucking out my hair, and it feels so good for some strange reason. Yeah, I know. Shampooing my hair, like I have been shampooing my hair for like the past, I'll say the past 9 months. Okay, 8 months, let's go to 8 months. For the past 8 months, I've been shampooing my hair every single week. Now, there are some hairs that can survive on shampooing their hairs every single week, but it looks like my hair can't survive that, guys. My hair cannot survive that, because I am literally taking out all its moisture and it's not happy, and it's like, sis, we are dry. So yeah, I'm trying to cut down on shampooing my hair, and that's why I'll be using a condition wash instead. Now the star of the show is the As I Am Coconut Core Wash. It's a cleansing cream conditioner. I've used this core wash before and I liked it, but I'm just going to do this with you guys on camera. That way at least you're up to date with what I'm currently doing with my hair, and we can move together on this journey. Now, I'm not substituting shampoo for conditioner or core wash, but what I'm trying to say is I'm going to cut down on using the shampoo every week. Thinking of shampooing my hair once or twice a month, but I haven't yet picked on exactly where I want things to be. So enough talking, let's get right into the video. Guys, I'm back. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. So while I'm doing my hair, I just discovered that I have some gross stuff in my hair. Do you want to see it? Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys. So the outside of the hair looks as if maybe nothing's really going on. Like, okay, yeah, you're dry, but you're clean, dry, but we have, can you see that? Like, dude, what is happening? What like, dude, what is happening? Can you see that, guys? So I am, you know what, let's go ahead with this. This core wash says that it's a cleansing cream conditioner, right? So let's actually put this to the test. Let us put this to the test. Let us see if it's true that it actually cleanses. This is how much I have shed with the detangling process, but I am definitely going to be shedding even more when I get this hair wet, because I was pretty much just trying to feel out and take out some of the hairs that have already been shed but are still inside the strands, if you know what I mean. So I was just taking that out.
This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait. No need to hurry. Getting harder to stay in control, but perfection is my only goal. Have to fight it 'cause I won't go.
Get some conditioner and begin to work it through your hair. Fingertips.
With life and an atmosphere.
Okay, so I've done distributing the product throughout my hair and massaging my scalp as well. But I'm just gonna go in again and just massage my scalp even more, because, dude, you can never get enough of massaging your scalp. I have a massaging brush, but it's so far away, and I'm like, no, I just can't be bothered. So the next step is optional. It's optional. There are people who don't like to manipulate their hair very much, and I'm one of those people. But I haven't combed my hair in like 2 weeks now, so I think it's time for me to just remove all that shed hair. There's no use keeping it in the head if it's meant to come out.
Just to keep me sane. My world is finally starting to take shape. I press the button and it bursts into life. This time nothing will escape my sight. I see the stars and the planets soon follow. Expect to have the universe by tomorrow. Just sit back and relax, don't worry. The world can wait. No need to hurry.
Guys, I just want to say, be careful when you do this, because your hair is most vulnerable when it's wet.
Need a bit of you. White dress looks good on you. 4 a.m. I'm sick of you. White dress looks good on you.
Okay guys, so like I said, I am seriously shedding hair. But okay, it just makes sense that I am, because if we're meant to shed about 100 hairs a day, and I mean it's been 14 days, then would you say this is fair enough? or is this too much? Let me know in the comment section. But anyway, for now, let me rinse my hair and see exactly whether my scalp and my hair are clean or not, so that I can think about shampooing it if not. But yeah, see you shortly. So I am back and ready for the big reveal. But in case it's not obvious, before I say anything else, in case it's not obvious, I'm not using this towel to dry my hair. So do not, and I repeat, do not dry your hair using a towel, because towels are made out of cotton, and cotton strips moisture out of your hair. We don't want to undo all this hard work we've done, so do not. And plus, your hair can easily find its way in the towel, and while you're doing that and causing friction, you might be pulling and might break your hair. So do not do it. Now for the big reveal. Drum rolls please. Okay, let's do this. Let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, let us do this. You know what? I'm gonna need my mirror here because I can't see nothing. Guys, can you see this? Oh my god. Can you see this? Can you see, like, can you really see this? Guys, this is the deal. Like, this is absolutely the deal. Now, if there's anybody out there who is like me, who's struggling with maintaining moisture in their hair, or maybe who's over shampooing their hairs, I mean, if you're shampooing your hair more than you should, then this co-wash is definitely for you. I'm definitely going to be recommending this product. So yes girl. For me and my household, we're gonna be doing this another time. Again, like, it's gonna be a repeat kind of thing. But do not substitute a condition wash for a shampoo, because you are going to need to use a shampoo that's going to take away all that build up in your hair and on your scalp. A cold wash isn't a permanent solution, but you can use it, like maybe, like I've said, I'm going to be using it maybe either twice or 3 times a month, but it's just going to depend on how I'm feeling about doing my hair. But for now, I want to experiment with this, and then I'll let you know exactly my overall thoughts about using a cold wash in like 3 months. So I hope I remember this. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you all in my next video, so bye.